let's find out how to add a testimonial. At your Testimonials menu, click on Add New Testimonial, or you could click it here. Then, place the person's name here, the testimonial here, and you could also add the person's position and company's name here. And remember to add the photo here. Let's do an example. Let's take a review for this app. Scroll down. Let's take this review from the person named John. Copy his name and paste his name here. Next, copy his review here and paste it here. Remember to also copy his face. So to do that, right-click, select Inspect, and you will see an icon with an arrow here. Click on it and mouse over his face and click. You should be able to see a URL here. Copy this URL, open a new tab, and paste it here. Save this image down and return and set his photo as the featured image. So you got his handsome face over here. Then click Publish and return and refresh. Excellent. So now we have a new testimonial. You could remove the sample testimonials here, or you can just hide them, as what I like to do. Just change it to draft, and you're good to go. All right.